In problem Y, in problem 5, we have one that is already in slope-intercept form and one that is in standard form. So the best thing to do is to take the negative 12x plus 4y equals 16 and change it into slope-intercept form. So we add 12x to both sides. Then we have 4y equals, remember we wanted an mx plus b. Divide everything by 4. Y equals 3x plus 4. Now I would graph it, but when we graph it, what do we notice? We have the same exact line. So when we have the same line, it's infinitely many solutions. So explain how you know is many solutions, no solutions, or one solution. Here are some examples of good answers. It is infinitely many solutions because the equation has the same slope and same y-intercept. It is infinitely many solutions because the two equations become the same line. It is infinitely many solutions because every point on the line is an answer or is a solution. So something along those lines. Number 6 I'm going to skip because the coefficient is cut off and I'm not sure what number it was, so hopefully you skipped it as well. Number 7 is set up for elimination. I know it's set up for elimination because the x's, the y's, and the numbers line up. I'm going to do the opposite and then keep that the same. And then I'm just going to multiply. And then negative 18x minus 6y equals 30. So with here, you have to be very careful that you multiply correctly. You want to stop, look, alright, my x's cross out because they are truly opposites. My y's cross out, so there's nothing here. And this is where you have to make sure that you're adding correctly and not on autopilot. 30 plus 30 is 60. Well, 0 can never equal 60. So this is a false statement. False statements mean no solution. So here are a couple examples of sentences that you can write. It is no solution because I got a false statement. It is no solution because I got parallel lines. It's no solution because the equations have the same slope and different y-intercept. So those are 3 different types of answers. Make sure that you use complete sentences. For number 8, use any method you want. And then for the because, make sure you explain why you chose the way that you chose. And a good explanation is not because I liked it, or elimination is easier. No, we're looking for the math words. So I chose the elimination method because the 2 equations were in standard form, or the 2 equations lined up the x's, the y's, and the constants. So we are looking for math reasons. If you changed it and graphed, you can say I chose the graphing method because I was able to put them into slope-intercept form. Something that is math related is the good acceptable reasoning.